Sa latest SWS survey, maraming nagulat, sir, let's face it, you're 38% nationwide. Kahit pa sabihin nila ano man yung tanong, leading ba ang question, lumalabas na si Rudy Duterte is really a strong and viable candidate for 2016. Nagulat ba kayo, Mayor, una dun sa resulta ng survey?
No.
Bakit, sir?
Bakit to?
Well, nonchalant ako dyan sa bagay na yan. Even before, sabi ko naman sa inyo na kung number 1 ako o number 2, number 3, I really do not care. Kaya sabi ko, mas mabuti ibaba na lang niya ako para walang tanong. If I were number 5, I would not be here, so I would not be wasting,
Pero palagay nyo, anong nakikita ng publiko sa inyo sa problema ng bayan ngayon kung bakit nakikita nila na kayo ang gusto nilang iboto? Meron silang nakikita sa inyo, Mayor. Ano yun?
Pareho kami, lahat na tayo, ma'am. Pati ako nakatingin ako sarili ko sa lamin kanina. Wala akong nakita na, ibig sabihin, we're both, lahat naman kami capable. All of them can be good presidents. Maybe, they're just ready to us, to answer your question. Baka dyan to siguro sa peace and order. Baka yan ang pinaka. Kasi hindi naman it cannot be denied that the country is in bad shape. We have not collapsed, but we are in a bad shape. Ang droga which I have been complaining about loudly, medyo masama talaga. It's flooding the country, and you can ask any mayor that you know, and he would tell you that drug is really giving us a headache. Kung pati ako doon na